Hi everyone, this is Zuaib. In developing online courses, when you see an output of that course, you would see plain text and then everything else. What do I mean by plain text and everything else? So beyond plain text, everything else, consider that as media assets. What do I mean by that? Anything which is beyond plain text has to be developed by a specialist who has to understand the type of content output that you're trying to create beyond plain text. And for that, you have to work with digital media specialists or multimedia developers. These professionals have the skill sets to understand what are the content needs that you have and how you can better present that concept. Obviously, that process is done in collaboration with the instructional designer and working with the faculty, and then identifying what are the different type of course media assets. So if you remember plain text and course media assets or media assets. And there are different type of assets that can be developed, and media developers have those specialities based on their skills of what types they can develop. For example, they would want to create still images, customize infographics, illustrations, animations, interactives, and videos. When you develop your courses, obviously the things that I've mentioned, you all would want to have all of these components in your course. But please note that media development is very costly and time consuming. Therefore, based on the resources that you have in your organization, you really have to understand that at a minimum of what type of course asset you would want to create, or as I said, media asset that you want to create. At a minimum, we want to make sure that we have visuals, we have customized in illustrations, but then when it comes to video shoots, it could be as simple as the one that I'm doing right now and just upload it online. Or you can have a professional video shoot which has pre and post-production workflow. At the end of the day, it all depends on the resources of the organization, but all in all, media developers are the one who basically add life into the content and really helps the learner understand the concept. I hope you find this useful.